وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد. Dear audience, today I will shed some light on the subject that Islam brought about the educational revolution in the world. Nowadays, education is considered to be a gift of this modern age, but in fact it is only Islam which laid down the foundation of education and took it to unknown heights. It is an established truth that Islam has not only attached much emphasis on education, rather it is the messenger of knowledge and the leader of an educational revolution. Other civilizations put education in the category of necessities of life, but Islam regarded it the utmost necessity of each human being. Dear audience, unlike other religions and civilizations, Islam termed education as basic right of every individual and the society. The Greece and the China have made extraordinary progress in the field of education and the art, but they also did not favor the education for all. Plato has also dreamt of democracy and equality, but he also could not go beyond education for some particular segments of the society. In India, which once was the center of education and the art, a lower caste person was not even allowed to hear the Vedic scriptures. None can deny the glory of Nalanda and Taxila universities. But after all, the fact is that the common people were always deprived of education in Hindu periods. Education was only the monopoly of higher classes of the society. When the sun of Islam was enlightening the world, Europe was passing through dark ages of history. The scientists, artists, and the men of learning were tortured, and sometimes even they were tortured to death. Similarly, ignorance was prevailing all over Arabia. There was neither a school nor college and a library. Quraysh, the head of all tribes in Arabia, had only 17 persons who knew writing. In 570 Anno when the sun of Islam rose from the horizon of Arabian Peninsula in its fullest blaze, the entire world was shrouded by darkness and steeped in ignorance and long slumber. The first slogan that Islam chanted in this horrible atmosphere was about education. The earliest verses of the Quran invited people to education. As the Holy Quran said, اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Read with the name of your Lord who created everything. He created man from a cloud of blood. Read, and your Lord is the most gracious, who imparted knowledge by means of the pen. He taught man what he did not know. These verses of the Quran are considered to be the fountainhead of education in post-Islamic history. They created a remarkable eagerness towards education. The Quran filled the followers of Islam with a tremendous spirit. Hadith also encouraged this spirit and gave it a good push by repeated mentioning of education's virtues and greatness. The Quran has laid much importance to education. That's why it regarded education as the main purpose of the advent of Prophet. Allah blessed him and gave him peace in this world, as the Holy Quran said, هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين. He is the one who raised the unlettered people a messenger from among themselves who recites to them His verses and purifies them and teaches them the book and the wisdom, while they were earlier in open error. This is the reason that the Prophet Muhammad Allah blessed and gave him peace himself said, I was sent down as a teacher. Once upon a time, the Prophet Muhammad Allah blessed and gave him peace saw some of his companions sitting in two circles. One circle was busy chanting the glory of Allah, and the other circle was busy learning the teaching. So the Prophet Muhammad Allah blessed and gave him peace said, I was sent down as a teacher and sat among them. The Sahaba imbibed the teachings on Islam in their lips, and whenever they went, they engaged themselves in learning and teaching. They sat in a corner of a mosque or in a part of house teaching wisdom and good behavior. Wherever they went, they left their deep impressions on life, culture and language. Dear audience, in short, Islam is the pioneer of education revolution. It led the humanity for a strong that are connected to poverty like